Hey, this is Kevin Wilson, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button or bell, and that way, whenever I'm doing something on YouTube, you'll be notified. What I wanted to focus on today is a triad, and directly a triad, and inverting the triad, so where you can move it around. It sounds differently, but you're still using the same elements or the same notes in the chord, but just switching them around a little bit, okay? So when I talk about an A triad, we're talking about the 1, 3, and 5, which is the degrees within the A major scale. So here we go. We have the 1, which is the A, 3 is the C sharp, and the 5 is E, okay? And let me change the view so you can see closer, okay? So you have the 1, 3, and 5 that makes up that A triad, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how you can invert them and have the same notes in the chord, but they will sound differently, okay? Now on this one, the first one, we have the 5 on top, or I should say the bottom, is the E. Then you have the A is the 1, and the 3 is C sharp. So that's the first one in the example. That's 1, and then I'm inverting it to the 1, which is the A, 3, C sharp, and 5 is the E. And that's another one. Now what I'm going to do with this one is going to be the same as the second one, but it's going to be open with the open E. So we have the 1, which is the A, the 3, which is C sharp, and then the 5 is open with the open E. See that? Another one. And then the fourth one will be the E, the A, which is the 1, and the C sharp, which is the 3. So all together we have. So here we go again. And for that, this third one, I did a little hammer on with the B string. Okay, and then slid into the fourth one. So again, here we go. And that's inverting the A. And in the end, I played still the A, but I added the high A on the E string, like that. And that's how you can play chords, the same chord, and invert them, and they sound totally different. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell up top so when I'm doing something, you'll be with me, okay? Take care and have a great one.